Mix 1/2 ounce of vehicle wash per 1 gallon of water, or 1 to 2 ounces for more foaming action. We're washing with a bucket holding 3 gallons of water, so we're going to mix in 1.5 ounces. You can utilize the soap and bucket method or use vehicle wash in a foam cannon. Today, we're going to wash our vehicle using the soap and bucket method. Speed and Shine's Vehicle Wash is a high foam, pH balanced car wash soap with gloss enhancers. The gentle formula protects against waxes and sealants that may already be on your paint. This is the perfect blend of biodegradable surfactants that dissolve dirt and grime away with ease. And guess what? It's also safe for the environment. I'm utilizing the 1 bucket today in washing. It does have a strainer that allows the dirt to flow through and go to the bottom of the bucket. I wanted to do this because I wanted to show the results that you can get washing your vehicle with just a hose, a bucket, a wash mitt, without the foam cannon, a power washer, and all the extra stuff that you have to drag out. This is back old school. Let's get the car clean, let's make it look good, and let's make it shine. And there's the results. Using Speed and Shine's Vehicle Wash, a bucket, wash mitt, and some water, and a little bit of time, we made this car look like new again. Just look at that sparkle across that chrome and that shine down the side of that car.